My name's Darren Thomas and I'm the Business Development Manager here at FTL. For just over 24 years now, I've been involved with in-depth sealing solutions. One of the greatest areas and successes has been within the plunger pump division, and today I'd like to discuss that further in depth, as well as give you some background on FTL and our sealing solutions. So the main industrial areas for plunger pumps would be oil and gas, and heavily within there would be the frac industry. FTL have a lot of successful history with mining applications and ultra high pressure, where that is really the cleaning and descaling side.
My name is McCormack and I'm the Engineering Director at FTL. I've been here for 32 years. I'm responsible for all of the new product development and providing technical support both to the applications engineering team within FTL and the senior sales guys out on the road. We've been working with plunger pumps since I started FTL, so 30 years or more. A lot's changed over that time. Pressures have got higher, speeds have got faster. We've always had a good solution for plunger pumps, but we've had to reinvent that to suit the latest technologies and the increase in speeds and pressures. There are lots of problems associated with plunger pumps and plunger pump sealing. Obviously they're a dynamic seal, they're largely unguided, they're quite fast, they're just not a constant speed, so they start from zero, they increase, so there's acceleration. So it's quite a difficult application.
FTL operate at the forefront of sealing design, aligning with customer needs, desires and expectations. With our in-depth solutions, we maximise and achieve those targets required by customers.
Oh, hi, I'm Demi, and I'm an application engineer at FTL. And I'm mostly here today to discuss some of the challenges we see in the plunger pump industry. As an application engineer, my role is to provide in-depth solutions for customers' requirements. When a customer's requirement, for instance, will go away and we have to look at sort of the media, they're going to be up against the temperature, the speed, and this varies massively across the industry where plunger pumps are used. And as an engineer, compatibility is a big thing for us, where we have to make sure that the solution is going to be suitable for the media.
The common problems that we find within plunger pumps are around the main pressure seals and also around the crosshead seals. The problem with crosshead seals is one of keeping oil in the crankcase and keeping contaminants out of the crankcase. With high pressure seals it comes down to hours required to run and of course the increase in pressure putting extra stress on the seal.
Costs associated to plunger pump, I won't say failure, I'll say downtime, has a mass implication dependent on industry. But really the main one is you are not pumping what you're supposed to be pumping. This could be product, it can be transfer, it can be cooling, it covers all these type of industries we've talked about. So when this is down, there's a massive knock-on cost, not just on that product, but for the process line. The associated costs are with the product being pumped itself, is to where this is going, and any delays there can have associated costs, especially within the fracking industry. Within the ultra high pressure side, if this is down, you have dry docks, for example, so you have costs associated hourly to how long that job is going to take. As well as the level of performance, you don't want to lose power or pressure or flow whilst these are in operation. Again, due to timings of the needed job associated to that.
FTL is a solutions provider more than a component provider. Of course we do provide sealing elements, but we try and fit them into a system. So we can either use multiple seals or we can adapt seals to suit specific applications. We're predominantly an engineering company and we've got a very good engineering base. We're very inquisitive, we're keen to solve problems and we enjoy solving problems and working with customers to achieve that. We've recently made significant investments on test rigs here at FTL to sort of further enhance our centre of excellence. We have a 3-station reciprocating seal, which is primarily used for crosshead seals at the moment. We have a 4-station rotary seal, which primarily we're using for CTI seals at the moment. But we're able to capture significant data from both machines, and we can utilise them for a variety of materials. We can use them at different pressures. We get exceptional leakage rate characteristics from the seals. So it's a real step forward for us having those machines. It means for the customers that they're no longer the guinea pig for some of our innovations. We try and match seals exactly to parameters, but clearly it's not always possible to do that, and it requires some validation. We can do that on site now here at FTL. So it gives customers confidence that if they're going to invest in our technology, that we've already invested in the time to do some validation for them.
Please visit our website ftl.technology for more useful information on our critical sealing capabilities.